Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset VIVO X300. Alright, we have two ways how we can do it, and I'll show you both methods. First, and the recommended method, is a reset using the settings. We need to open them up. Now scroll all the way down until you find System Management, and now find the reset. Simply tap on that. In here, of course, we are interested in the last function, erase all data, but in here we can also reset network settings or reset all settings. Let's click on the last option. Remember that all of your data will be permanently erased if you click on clear. So what I highly recommend to do is to create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm explaining everything step by step, so if you want you can watch that video. Okay, now all you need to do is to click on the clear button. After that your device will be turned off, then it will be automatically turned on back again, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. Now let me show you the second one, which is a reset using the recovery mode. But you need to remember about one thing, because after the reset using the recovery mode, during the setup process, the phone will want you to verify yourself, or by drawing or typing your screen lock that you had before the reset, or by logging in into the Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are a user of this device. Now let me show you how to launch the recovery mode. We need to power off our device first. Let's click Power button and Volume Up button to launch the power menu, and now simply swipe to the right side to turn off your device. Okay, now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold Power button and Volume Up button until the mode launches. Just like that. Now, using the volume keys, select recovery mode, confirm by clicking Power button. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now click on Clear Data, click on again Clear All Data. Now we need to click on Clear, and the process has started. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, all data cleared. Now we can click on Return. Now go back by clicking on this arrow, and now simply select the Restart button. Click on OK. Now you need to wait until your device turns on, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.